Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. 21 students completes in-service training from CTI Bernihat. Tirat Singh music video released as a wake-up call. Hill Farmers Union seeks security from the DC of Jowai. And brutal murderers of Mega Marathon apprehended. And now the news in detail. The Soil and Water Conservation Department of Meghalaya on the 4th April organized a passing out ceremony program to venerate 21 field assistants who completed their in-service training course from Conservation Training Institute Bernihat, which was held in CTI Bernihat Auditorium. Amongst the 21 field assistants, 5 of them are females and 16 males, whereby 12 of them are from the Soil and Water Conservation Assam, 2 from Khasinews Autonomous District Council Department of Forest Shillong, 3 from Giant Hills Autonomous District Council Department of Forest Jowai, 4 from Soil and Water Conservation South Garo Hills Division Bakmara. Witnessing and participating in the event includes Marcus and Marak, Minister of Soil and Water Conservation, as the chief guest, along with the presence of I. Rinja, Director of Soil and Water Conservation, MCH Moment, Additional Director, O.T. Lingwa, Divisional Soil and Water Conservation, officers and relatives of the 21 successful field assistants.
To celebrate the graduation of our hard-working field assistant trainees who have successfully completed their 49th field assistant training and joined the ranks of Soil and Water Conservation Department. Soil and water are the foundation of life and meet all human needs while protecting the environment and civilization. Unfortunately, these two precious natural resources are often overlooked and neglected, and we are facing land degradation, soil erosion, decreasing fresh water availability due to the ever-increasing population and demand for land and water resources. Conserving natural resources is crucial, especially in the face of the changing climates in Meghalaya. We need to ensure water availability for present and future generations. As the impacts of climate change exacerbate the water crisis with erratic rainfall patterns, prolonged dry spells, and increased temperatures, we must develop adaptation strategies to cope with climate change impacts and integrate water conservation practices into all developmental activities, including infrastructure development, mining, and tourism. To ensure the sustainability of water resources in Meghalaya, we need to implement a comprehensive and coordinated approach involving all stakeholders, including government, civil society, private sector, local communities. We must work together to ensure Meghalaya has a sustainable and secure water future.
In contributing towards achievement of the goal and objectives of the department by providing training to the field functionaries of the department and allied organizations of the state, as well as of other departments and organizations from the northeastern states. During this batch, a total of 23 trainees were nominated for the session, out of which 21 number of trainees have successfully completed, in which one of the trainees was to be relieved early during the course due to ill health, and the other one remained absent while taking leave after attending classes for a short period. Of the successful completed trainees, 12 trainees are from the Soil Conservation Department, Government of Assam, 2 number of trainees from Khasinews Autonomous District Council, the Department of Forest, Shillong, and 3 numbers of trainees are from the Department of Forest, Champion Hills Autonomous District Council, Joan, and 4 trainees are from the Soil and Water Conservation Division, Batmara. Of all the 21 trainees, 5 trainees are female candidates and 16 trainees are male candidates. The theory and practical classes for the trainees were taken up meticulously. The subjects covered in this training course are agronomy, soil science, botany, soil and water conservation engineering, silviculture, survey and leveling, forest engineering, forest conservation, forest utilization, wildlife, forest law, and accounts and procedure. In addition to classroom teaching, the trainees were also exposed to projects, assignments, physical training, classes, games and sports, and social work. Maintenance of discipline and conduct is also given utmost importance for the betterment of the trainees, both physically and mentally. Study tours were also conducted to enable the trainees to visit, see and learn about different activities being implemented in the field to expand their knowledge and broaden their horizons.
The president of the Khasi Students' Union, Lombok Star Marngar, on the 4th April released a music video titled Tirat Singh, which is sung and improvised by Dimbur, metal band from Khasi Hills. The concept of the song is basically to remind the people of the heroic history of King Tirat Singh and to awaken the present and future generations. The music video was released in Jayash Yap Lumpalon Community Hall.
Ia kat pengujian ngkong maswa bang hari speech. Kalau bagi buat punya tu, kalau belum ia kat isu menyerap ini ke pemerintah. Ia kat isu nak support, ia bagi pemerintah berketiu menrah ia cek dulu konsentrasi. Kantam dari security, dari kai penting, dari hendak dulu pemerintah menyerap ia cek dulu igual menyerap. April 1829 kat Praspa Arundriu. Ketika first resmi menikam bagi Khasi di rebel Persia ke East India Company ke British Empire. Haba dia lemah anak cloud di attack di garrison di British bagi layar penyak bungut supaya British. Pada dia nak kata resmi ke Southern India kat Praspa Arundai ke sedang kata bagi historians setiap ke first Anglo-Khasi War. But uba jalan yang dia ke first Anglo-Khasi War di PM Tirat Singh harikat kecil trailer di BBC yang PM Borok Benik juga di Masyarakat dan Terter. Tinggi perkat bagi Shillong jadi perlok nampak kakun Dumbur ngiyong ba balai yang pelak untuk mentarasi nama Borok Benik. Bangsa kau itu haswa ba dan perkut juga jikran kalau ba nyipediang ya kakun Dumbur bahkan Roy dengan kakun Roy Oper siapa bu PM Tirat Singh. Mereka keren bagi orang Koreanis yang music is universal. And at the same time, it is also a vehicle. Tinggal masih setelah mengambil jadi kejuruan betul masih pek ini dokumentari. Kita tahu dokumentari berpek. Nah ini dah kau kejuruan juga kan bahasa sekarang betul kekompeten Slayer. Karena saya tahu kejuruan Angel of Death. Dia hantar Angel of Death ikan sepang kenika concentration camp atau Auschwitz, Holocaust begitu. Digibun ibu objek di padba tentang apa Israel yang Holocaust kalau pun kalau holy yaki in Jude ben Ryan Jude ben keren Jepang jangka Holocaust redon pada kita orang bah generation di bawah kita yang tipu Jepang ke Holocaust dia kemudian boleh dimailah mengenai jerawat yang Australia kalau ketika vehicle dan bertip seperti berboy bersih generation di bawah kita ke kepelajaran yang dijiu apa Holocaust di island mengenai jerawat jadi dembur dulu kalau ke vehicle dan bertip siapa kecil IT kecil lagi jadi kasih berusaha apa kecil alam jadi Tirat Singh kuno banyak pun nak minta freedom matang ini ikutian publish buat dan macam orang belum ini.
On the 4th April, Muchwa Thaba President and Alfonbert Carcenteu, General Secretary, Hill Farmers Union, met with the Deputy Commissioner of West Jante Hills and discussed on the safety and security of the residents and farmers in Mukro to continue their daily farming tasks. Hill Farmers Union submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner B.S. Solia, IAS West Jante Hills, to address the grievances of the farmers in the border areas. The leaders received a complaint from the farmers of Barato who expressed their fear of working in the fields without safety. Therefore, with a heavy heart, the Hill Farmers Union submitted a memorandum to the district officer requesting him to provide safety and security to the farmers in the border areas. The DC expressed his gratitude towards the Hill Farmers Union for bringing the matter into his notice, and he promised the union to look into the matter at the earliest, and he will collaborate with other departments to strengthen the security of farmers in Mukro and Barato.
Hadin ba nilawan ya kaban ya kendu ya dinongrat nilayo ro ya kaban piskam ya ke unit apa Barato hadin ba nilawan ban bisit ya dinongrat apa Mukro nilayo ro ya kaban pelong ya ka meeting ban ya syong ban ya perkat ya ke jengi ya ke ya kendu hadin ba kilayo tu ya ni ba dang hakini ki tayo ki balale kaliang jong ki office ona kaliang jong ki kulit Assam kidangwan ban yu kejat hadu kesenang Mukro lai teliki kali Teka jungwan jom kini ki kulit na po Assam kalapin syong siir ya kinong syong senong hapo Mukro badai halor kata nakaliang jongi hadin ba nilawan ya kaban ya kendu ki nilawan ra na kajingtho mentega sengi ban ya kendu ru ya deputy commissioner jong ka West Jante district Iba Solia ban pensngau halor jongi ya kaneka jinge kaba kinong rat ki jongi ya kendu khamtam bakidan ya kajing syong siir kaban ya let kini ki ban let rap ya ki jakarep ki jongki ki badan hangi hapo boda ka Assam dei halo jongani ka jingjia ka ba lai banai muchwa ka jingsha siat yap ka jongki paranong rap ki jongi hapo Mukro dei na lor kani ni layo ru ya ka bangin ya puliu jungmut ban ya perkhat ya ki kam ki bedei ba kam rap kam riang hoj na kaliang jongki nong rap ki jongi kinong ba mentala komba khadwi khat arsnem kim jiyo su ya ki nu ki sembai na ki department ki paper aka ba dei ba tul tapet jadi nomor kata kadau ni wan ya kapan tepat isi ba lingba ka concern ka jongi impa shaka block shiki block office ban include ya kinong rep na po Mukro bat kumjuru na po Barato bakin rung lang hakalis jong ka jinjar mission te sabat kiwi ru ki mat ki banilara mentek sini kanong hakabide bat kini ki kulit ki badan hangtei hapo haitei jaka dara na kabentaban up ban pinsingan ki nogrep ki jongi yu i bahag ki sini bakamlong na jaka kabada i shongkun hadu kata-kata kamar ideitang ijing trap iba syuda ada slap ru karungum syapo na dawan perjong ru babli kini ki kulit ki jongi ke kinum yo tia lane kinum yo kajaka kabaken ri dengan ya ladi jadi nomor kata-kata minta kesini Iwan bantu semua DC ba nakaliang juga police department kin Shimkia ba at least kin ai ya kajaka kaba kini ki pulit kin yo bandri dengan kaba idei kaba kin syong kum kita ki para beriu ke jongi jadi nomor kata-kata holor kata kajing concern bat sakawai ru ni Smokia halor ka puli putih kaba nomor 100% diberi ki bas kinograp di basang hangtei po Mukro kidei kinograp jadi nomor kata-kata dan iyo ru kajing tip ba iyo ru kajing tip bakadon kahe ha ka percentage of drop out student jogi kena kiba sa hakate ke dong kathan jadi nomor kata-kata kajing Smokia kajongi gila request ya deputy commissioner ba insyimkia halor kani banyak keran ru bat ka lesi ba education department ba namar hangte ki dantang hadu kelas 8 te lada kumnu na kini ki hindru teli ki school ba nakaliang ka administrative ki deban upgrade kini ki school sa ke shadu sa kelas 10 nang ban pensuk ya kini ki nograp ki jongi ki kun jo ki nograp ki ba puli hakiti ki school kanang mungkin nom kam shu ban mi na national lesi ki ban le Burato kani ban le chapo jowai ba Shillong tep Today halor kini ki concern ki jongi ni nakaliang jong his home union kumbangi ai ka kular sa para nongret angtay po Mukro kunju apa Barato baka hills home union kan don ringkat bat kan ai ka ti kaman ka diang nakabenta ban kentil ki para nongret jongi ha kajela badru halor kini ki baladeb jia ai ki baladeb jia nakaliang jong ka hills home union minum songkhat endre nginang yai kursil lingba ki department beper ban tempoi ya kila jengarap badru ban kentil ki para nongret jongi ki badan hakithan bodar hangtei hapo Mukro bat kumjuru syaki beki bodar hakari khasi jantia bat kumjuru syakara
Vivek's AIM Superintendent of Police Shillong City East Khasinews announced the arrest of the murderers of late Sri Omega Mirthong, 30 years of age, from Maulaingmut village, who went missing and whose body parts were recovered from the banks of Umyang Lake were identified. The post-mortem of the body was done at Civil Hospital, Nongpo. On the 1st April, the murderers were arrested, while one more was arrested on the 2nd April. According to the information extracted, on the 26th February, the deceased was part of a brawl between two groups after rounds of alcohol. The deceased was then abducted and killed at Pomlum viewpoint, and the body was chopped by the banks of the Umyam Lake. The garments of the deceased were recovered on the 3rd April on the leading of the accused from Deusao Krang and Nongpathau jungle respectively. Investigation is still in progress to complete the case, and a charge sheet will soon be filed. On the 3rd April, a dead body of a newborn baby was found in Rongup village under William Nagar in East Garo Hills district. The villagers found the baby floating in the Rongup river on Monday morning, and they immediately called the police team from William Nagar, who rushed to the spot and found the dead infant wrapped into pink floral flannel with a blue clip attached on the navel lying on the banks of Rongup river. As per the reports, an inquest was conducted over the dead infant in the presence of witnesses, and the dead body of a baby was taken to the civil hospital morgue room for conducting the post-mortem examination. The deceased infant was later handed over to the father by the attending medical officer for conducting last rites. However, he is under investigation to uncover further truths. Another school sports events took place on the 4th April, where St. Anthony's High Secondary School celebrated its 92nd annual sports meet in St. Anthony's Mini Stadium, Limekra, with the theme "Grow Through What You Go Through," inaugurated by Sri Ronnie V. Lingdor, MLA Milim constituency, who was also one of the chief guests. Present in the occasion were Srimati Isawanda Lalu, IAS Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, as the chief guest, and Sri Olan Singh Sun, MLA Mausanram constituency, Deputy Chairman Planning Board, Government of Meghalaya, as the guest of honour, Father Anthony Kharkongor, Principal, Father Lurshai A. Walang, Vice Principal, teachers and students from different schools, parents and other spectators. Addressing the gathering, Sri Ronnie V. Lingdor congratulated all the participants and wished for their victory and fair play, and urged the students, both boys and girls, to showcase their talents in fields like this, since it is going to be counted in their career merits. He praised the organizers and teachers who had made the sports meet a success. He finally urged the students to train themselves to become all-rounders. Concluding the sports meet, Chief Guest Isawanda Lalu taught the students that sports contain 5 important words starting with S, which means stamina, speed, strength, skills and spirit, and she emphasized that the most important of them is the kind spirit of an athlete. She urged the students to work hard and strive for what they desire in their life, and school time is the best time to polish oneself and display their talents along with hard work, both mind and body. Concluding her speech, she praised the organizers, teachers and students who had participated with full joy and wished the students a good life ahead of them, also wishing the best for the teachers and organizers to be able to organize more such platforms for students.
Immaculately dressed in their uniform and marching with military precision. Please put your hands together for the contingent commanded by Sergeant Jeremy Whiting, Flag Bearer Corporal James Kongsan, our school commanders saluting the chief guest. A very kind ladies and gentlemen. Flag Bearer Corporal James Kongsan, the NCC saluting the chief guest. Flag Bearer Corporal Azabel Hamsuba, their motto unity and discipline. Teacher in charge, First Officer Mihim Sinha. Following the Rashtradia Corps contingent is the inter-house contingent led by Ambedkar House. Commander Roderick Champlion, their motto, start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. Vice Captain Natalia Rani, Vice Captain Sayed Ali. Netaji Haq. Netaji House. Profession. Black Bearer, ASS, and White Bearer, Tirat Singh. Motto, alone we are strong, together we are stronger. Vice Captain, and Vice Captain.
Mardar, the flag bearer, one pitch nine Dakyan, flag of bearer, Mori Dondor, marching right. Next we have St. George Price, the commander, Agent Guru, flag bearer, Jessiville or Marak, the placket bearer, Samir Hajon. Their motto, one team, one dream. We have the Divine Savior Boys, commander, commanded by Binskan Lam Arwatri, flag bearer, Devaneskan Maori, flag bearer.
Teachers in charge for March Past, Mr. F.B.D.S. Shillong, Mr. Veer Sinha, and Mr. Steve Dalhar.
And the future depends heavily on you. The country depends heavily on you. So you have this opportunity. A lot of students, a lot of young people do not have this opportunity to attend, good schools like this. You've been given this opportunity. Make the most use of it. Make the most of it. And ensure that you prepare yourself, equip yourself, so that when it's time for you to shoulder responsibility, you'll be fully prepared. Whatever responsibility you have to shoulder will be prepared. So this is the time on school days, are the best time of your life. We miss school days too. And now you have your still students. Make the most of your students' life. And you can be an asset to the state, an asset to the country and the state you belong to. I believe most of you are come from other parts of northeastern India, so we still need a lot to achieve to catch up with the rest of the country in every sphere, in every sector. So we still need a lot of people to manage the state, to manage the country. And I must congratulate all the teachers, all the students, everyone involved in making this preparation such a grand success. I've never witnessed such a school event so grand as Tirat Singh School. So, congratulations Father, congratulations the teachers, congratulations the students, and everyone involved. So, with these few words, I'm going to prolong my speech. I think we've got to witness so many beautiful events prepared by the students. I wish the students of all the schools, and especially as St. Teresa Secondary School, give your best. I like your theme song, girl, what you go through. So this is what you're going through. You've been imparted, I think, the best of education in this part of the country. So make the most use of it and work hard. Like late Indira Gandhi used to say, there is no substitute for hard work. So work hard, dedicate your time now to your studies, and of course some of you have worked in sporting events. Of course make use of them also, because now sports activities are also a profession. I think one of the highest paid people in the world now are sports person. So if God has given some of you the talent to be a good sports person, make use, work hard. You cannot achieve anything without working hard. So I'm so happy that I'm still considered part of the Solution family. It is an honor and a privilege to be invited here as a chief guest, and will always be with the school, with the Solution congregation, which they still take me as one of them. So I'm really privileged for this. So I'll not prolong my speech. Wish this inter-school sports event a success, and all those taking part in the sports participate in the spirit of sportsmanship. God bless you all. God bless St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. Thank you. God bless you all.
A very good afternoon to each and every one of you. Respected Principal, St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Father Anthony, respected Vice Principal, Father Loshai Walang, the organizing committee, all the different committees comprised of the faculty members of the school who have organized this wonderful event today, representatives from all the different participating schools, parents, past pupils, dear friends, and most importantly, my dear students. It is my great pleasure to be with you here on this occasion on the closing ceremony of the 92nd Annual Sports Meet of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, inter-house and inter-school. It has been my delight to witness the beautiful displays of drill, of dance, and most importantly, the wonderful display of athletic prowess, of spirit of competition and sportsmanship by all of you. So before I commence my speech, I want each and every one of you to give yourselves, to give your teachers, and to give your parents who have supported you a very big round of applause. My dear friends, one of my favorite quotes on sports goes like this: the 5 S's of sports training, or the 5 attributes which any sports person should have, are stamina, speed, skill, strength, and spirit. But the greatest of these is spirit. Today, my dear friends, I have truly seen the spirit of sportsman and sportswomanship amongst each and every one of you. And this, I can see, is the outcome of a wonderful visionary leadership of the school in promoting sports, in wonderfully executing and planning this grand sports event, and by each and every one of you for truly giving it your all. My dear friends, sports form such an important part of our daily lives, especially in your school days. These are the best days of your lives, as I have heard some of you sing during that Bryan Adams song just now. It is the best time of your life, and sports and games plays a vital part of it. Your respected principal has just informed me that the school has several plans to improve the capacity, to give the best sports training possible to all the schools, and to promote a spirit of healthy competition amongst yourselves, amongst each other, and amongst the different schools as well. We are glad to know that the school encourages several disciplines of sports, be it football, athletics, basketball, and others, and that you also take part in the inter-school and inter-district displays which are held every year under the aegis of the Directorate and Sports Affairs. My dear friends, I remember my own school days when many times we used to come on this very field, and it was with a sense of wonder and awe that we watched the beautiful displays and we cheered on our teams to do well. If any of you, I know that there are many amongst you who has a dream to excel in a particular discipline, I want to encourage you to go forward with passion, with dedication, and with confidence. Your school, your parents, and us in the government are doing our best to try and support and promote different skills and games so that one day we will see some of you achieve success not only at the state level but at the national level and perhaps even on an international platform. I learned that many of the athletes right now who are running so fast are also state level players. It gives me tremendous encouragement to know that many of them are training at SAI. Many of them have represented their school and their district and their state at different fora. I want that one day among this group of young boys and girls here, we will be able to have a PV Sindhu or a Saina Nehwal or a Mirabai Chanu or a Neeraj Chopra or an Abhinav Bindra. I hope you know all these names. I hope you recognize these names. They are champions. They are Olympians. Like Hima Das, some of you have run like the wind. Some of you aspire to be like a Usain Bolt. And believe you me, it is possible. But you have to go at it with dedication, with patience, with persistence, and with confidence. Remember, my dear friends, that nothing worth it comes easy. If you want to excel at anything, be it sports, be it your studies, be it football, be it music, be it anything that you want to do, you have to work hard and you have to have discipline. Sports, the skills that sports gives you, the 5 S's which I mentioned just now, they are attributes which will give you confidence and which will help you not just to be good sports people, but they will help to make you good workers, good professionals, and ultimately good human beings. So I am so happy to have this tremendous opportunity to be able to witness all of you from the sports department. We are trying very hard to identify and to catch talent early. In recent days, we had the Elite Pathway program, which is aimed at screening the best amongst the best. 24,000 tests were conducted for around 8,000 boys and girls in 12 districts, out of which, based on digital rankings, 200 were selected. They will be groomed for a 1-year program. And we urge the school authorities, we urge the parents, if your child, if your student has promise, has potential, encourage them, bring them forward, and we will also try to give them the best possible support so that one day you will shine for your state and for your country. Before I conclude, I want to say it is very important to win, it is very important to aim for success, but please remember that failure is also a stepping stone to success. Not everyone can get a gold, not everyone can get a silver, not everyone can get a bronze. Some of us may be lagging behind, some of us may feel disheartened, some of the schools may feel we have tried so hard, we have trained so much, but we still haven't achieved our goal. Remember, if you persist, one day you will. And even if you fall, like Father Anthony has shown us, get up again, get back up again on your feet, and run fast. I think he has given us the best possible example. My biggest learnings individually has been not from the different successes that I've had, but from my failures, from those times in my life where I was pushed into a corner, where I did not get what I want, but it urged me to work harder, to try better, and to put my faith in God. So my dear young friends, I want to encourage all of you as well, be determined, be strong, and always have a spirit of friendship, of love, of compassion. This is what sports teaches us at the end of the day. The team spirit, you have to egg each other on, you have to encourage each other on, and one day you will taste success. So with these few words, my heartiest congratulations to St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, everyone who has been involved in this wonderful program, all the schools who have participated, all the teachers, faculty, staff, volunteers, the past pupils who have shown such a wonderful spirit of participation, dear parents, and my dear boys and girls. My heartiest congratulations to all of you. May God bless you, and thank you very much. Kude Shillong. Celebrate life.
and they're going to declare the meet closed.
I now declare the 92nd Annual Sports and Inter-School Invitation Dance 2023 meet closed. Congratulations to everyone.
Thank you, madam.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.